Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp shumai. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, along with 1 cup of finely chopped bamboo shoots for that perfect texture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of fragrant sesame oil. Finally, grab 1 package of round wonton wrappers. These are key to our delicious dumplings. Now, let's create our flavorful filling. First, mince your 1 pound of shrimp very finely, or use a food processor for a quick chop. Next, combine the minced shrimp with the 1 cup of chopped bamboo shoots, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a mixing bowl. Stir everything together until it's perfectly blended. Then, chill the mixture for about 30 minutes. This makes it much easier to work with. With our filling ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping the shumai. Take 1 round wonton wrapper and place about 1 tablespoon of the chilled filling right in the center. Carefully gather the edges of the wrapper upwards, creating a small cup shape around the filling. Gently press the filling down to secure it, leaving the top exposed. For a classic touch, you can garnish each shumai with a tiny piece of carrot or some fish roe. Finally, let's cook our beautiful shumai. Arrange them in a steamer basket, making sure they don't touch each other. Steam them for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the shrimp filling is completely opaque and firm to the touch. Once cooked, serve your homemade shrimp shumai immediately with a side of your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a mix of soy sauce and rice vinegar. Enjoy this delightful dim sum treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.